Hello students, last time we saw main term and max term, also SOP and POS form. But today we are looking for standard SOP, which is also known as canonical SOP or POS. That is canonical sum of product and product of sum. So today I will explain you about this SOP and POS and how they are differentiated with the earlier SOP which we have already seen, and what is different from a standard SOP or the canonical. What is the canonical and standard form? Okay, so for that purpose I will just again recalling what we have studied, how this SOP and POS has been formed. So let us take one example that I will explain on this uh, truth table. Let us say we have two variables, that is a and b, and it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, these are the my variables, and if I wanted to plot its output, okay, just arbitrarily I am choosing this truth table. Okay, so let us see, this is an XOR gate. So 0 1 1 0. Okay, so these are what we will got is, okay, so in terms of decimal, okay, so this is 0 1 2 3. Now I wanted to represent this truth table in terms of sum of product form, that is SOP form, sum of product form. What I will do is I will write down f, that is my function f. So in SOP form, what we have to understand, that we have to take the variable which gives output as 1. Okay, so this mean term, uh, so here I am getting output as 1 for these two cases. Okay, and that mean term in SOP I am calculating mean term. So this is my mean M1 and this is my M2. So function of A comma B. Also you remember the sequence A B. I am writing here A and B. So my function calling it A comma B, not B comma A. It should be understand. Okay, it should be. It is very important. Okay. So f of b is nothing but summation m 1 comma 2. So this is what the function definition. So I have written this function in terms of my mean term. So summation m 1 comma 2. Now summation m 1 comma 2 for 1, I am able to see that for 1 a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. So I will expand it in terms of SOP, that is standard product, sum of product a bar dot b plus a b bar. Okay, so this is the expression of your XOR gate. Okay, so this is in terms of sum of product. How it has changed? So these are the two your product terms are that. So this is the product between the variables, or you can say literal, and this sign indicates the sum. Okay, so this indicates the sum. So that's why they are calling it as sum of products. Okay, you understand this? Now, the next case, if I wanted to convert the same expression in terms of POS code, in terms of POS, so in POS, the equation can be written as function of A comma B, the same variables because I am using A B variables. Okay, then for POS form, you have to write phi and then capital M. Here summation and small m, in POS form phi and capital M, and we have to consider the value of output who is giving at 0, not low. So for 0 A B, okay, sorry, for this particular instance I am having M0 and this is my M3. Okay, just the dual of this, so 0 comma 3. So 1 2 is there, so dual of this is 0 or 3. Okay, so if I wanted to expand this in terms of POS, that is product of sum form. So 0 for 0 I am writing A plus B, then dot for 0 A plus B, because 0 is represented as A in terms of POS form, whereas in SOP form 0 is written as A bar. Okay, so A plus B and then dot product of this 3. So 3 is your 1 1. So I am writing it as A bar, as 1 is there, 1 A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now you can expand it. So A multiplied by this A. So A bar plus A multiplied by this B bar, that is A B bar plus this B multiplied by A. bar, that is A bar B plus this B multiplied by B bar multiplied by B bar. At these terms are 0, so final minimized equation is A B bar plus A bar B, and this is the same as this equation. Fine. Now when you look at this equation, this is nothing but your product of sum. So these two terms are sum and their product. This is your product. So product of sum form. That's clear. Now note down this. Okay. Now we will see the conversion of this. So I forgot to explain you about this. This is called as standard SOP or canonical SOP. Why standard? Because on these all the literals are available. For example, if I am having example A plus, let us say A bar B. So you can see that here in this term one literal is missing. Literal means variable in its complementary or normal form. So literal is missing. If it is there, like A B bar plus A bar B, this, so both the literals are available. If it is having two variables, so both the literals are available. That is here A B bar is there plus A bar B is there. In this case, B is not available, or we can say B is missing. B is missing in either in normal form or in complementary form. Okay, so this is not the standard. So this is not the standard. This is not the standard SOP. And whereas this is your standard SOP. Understand the difference between the normal SOP or standard SOP? The standard SOP, it has all the literals are present. Okay. In terms of standard or canonical SOP or POS, all the literals should be present. That is called as standard or canonical form. Okay. Now I will explain you about their convergence. Okay. Literal convergence. So when we talk about the conversion, so there may be a question in the examination. To convert the following in terms of standard SOP. Okay. Example: convert the following with convert the following in standard SOP. Standard SOP. Okay. And the expression for the standard SOP is like example, that is your AC plus AB, AC plus AB. Okay, obviously dots are there. AC plus AB and BC. AC plus AB and BC. Now, when you look at this example, we have to convert this example in standard SOP. This is in SOP form. This is in sum of product form. This is in SOP form, but it is not in standard SOP form. Standard sum of product form. Okay, why? Because some of the literals are missing. Some of the variables in their normal or complementary form are missing in this particular example. So how do I convert? So it has some rules for, so rule number 1. So it has some rules. First you have to find the missing literals. Find the missing literal. Okay. First you have to find the missing literals. Here, what is missing? Here B is missing. AC term is there, B is missing. Here C is missing, and here A is missing. So I will write it here. Here B is missing. Okay. And in this C is missing. Here A is, here A is missing. Fine. So first term, find the missing literal. So we have find it out what are the missing literals are there. The second step is add Second step is add each product term having add each product term having missing literals with oring with oring their normal and complement form with their normal and complement form. Okay, so you can see this. Now I'm solving this. So AC, B is missing. So A dot C and B is missing. So what we have to do is we have to AND. AND means I'm multiplying this. This is my AND. Multiplying this with the normal and complementary form. ORing. So R between normal and complementary form. So B is missing. So R means B plus B bar. So I'm multiplying this with B plus B bar. The same step is for other. So here A B C is missing. So A dot B and C plus C bar. Okay. Next plus BC plus BC A plus A bar. So I have ANDed each product term ANDed each with the complementary and normal form. The next time what we have to do is we have to distribute this AC and B bar. Okay, so we have to multiply this ACB, so ABC plus ABC and then plus AB bar C plus ABC plus ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar BC. Okay, A bar BC. The third step is expansion. Expand and and you have to remove this ABC and ABC are there. So three ABC are there. You can write a single ABC. Expand and reduce. Expand and reduce. As we know that this ABC plus ABC as ABC is there. So we have a function, or we have a theorem A plus A is equals to A. So how many are there? How many same terms are there? We can write only single term. So ABC for three this ABC I will write ABC plus the same term A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C. So this is my standard expression, or you can say standard SOP form. So earlier form was not standard, though it is in SOP form, but this is your canonical SOP or standard SOP. The same examples, many examples you can do this. What you have to understand? Find the missing literals. So you have to find what is the literals or what are the variables which are missing in each term. Okay. So here I have calculated that AC, so B is missing. Here AB term are there, so C is missing. BC terms are there, so A is missing. So first step is find the missing literals. Second step is you have to add that with the or product. You have to add the missing literals with their oring of normal and complementary form for each. So here B is missing. So B plus B bar I have multiplied. C plus C bar I have multiplied with this term, and A plus A bar I have multiplied with this term. Now you have to expand. Third one is expansion and then reduce. So expansion is there and then reduction. You can go through this just by looking at this. This similar terms are there. So for similar terms you can write the same single term, and then you will get this is your standard form. I will write standard. This is your standard SOP. Okay. Now we will see how to convert the following equation, that is A into A plus B plus C into standard POS form, that is product of sum form. Okay, so rules I have written here, just the same rules are there. First rule is the same, find the missing literals. So here you can see that there are two terms are there. One is are in product in sum form. This is product. Okay, these are the two terms are there. Okay, so when we look at this term, there is no as we can see that there are three variables are there, a, b, c. So in this term all three variables are present. In this term two variables are missing or two literals are missing, that is b and c is missing. Second step is you have to R each term with the missing literal with its normal or complementary form or complementary form. So with the help of P term, we have to R each term. Okay. So B and C terms are missing. So I am Ring. These two terms are missing. So two terms means four combinations. Four combinations. What are those four combinations? One is B bar plus C bar. Okay, one combination is there. Then B bar C. Another combination there. B C bar plus B C bar and then B plus C. So these four combinations are there. As two terms are missing. Okay, so I am just adding this A, B, first term I am adding A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, then so now with this A, this term I have to add each term with the missing literals with its normal or complementary form. With this term, as I made that four combinations are there. So A, this A plus this combination is there, B bar plus C bar. Then second combinations with this A is plus B bar plus C, A plus B C bar. Okay, B C bar plus, sorry, not plus, this is multiplication. Okay, so I'm again fourth combination A plus this is by B plus C. Okay, and then this remaining dot A plus B plus C. Okay, now by looking at this, you can see that there are two repeated combinations are there. Okay, so for repeated combination we have to reduce this. So for repeated combination we can consider only one combination. So the final answer is A plus B bar plus C bar dot A plus B bar plus C, A plus B plus C bar, and the last combination is A plus B plus C. So just remember this term. Okay, you have to find the missing literals. So here two terms are there. As it is in for POS form or minimum POS form, minimal POS form. So two terms are there, A and then A plus B plus C. Okay, so for the first term B and C are missing, and for the second term nothing is missing. So we will keep it as it is. For B and C, how many combinations are there? Four combinations are there. That is B bar plus C bar, B bar plus C, B plus C bar, B, C. Okay. So just what I have done, I have or that combinations with its complementary and normal form. So these four combinations are there. First combination, second combination, third combination, fourth combination. These four combinations are there. This term is as it is. I have kept it here. Now the third step is you have to expand. We have already expanded it and then reduced it. So expansion is not here. Here it is required. Okay. So just reduced it. Reduce means by removing or omitting this similar term. And this is my final answer. So earlier the equation was this. It is called as, this is minimized equation. Okay, and this is your standard POS form. This is standard POS form. This is minimized equation. There may be a question that convert the following in standard POS form. You have one equation and they are asking you about the conversion of POS form or SOP form. Okay, so that's all for conversion.